Alright, I had to start off my day and get some breakfast before I get to the place. So I got this breakfast bowl. First time getting it at Whataburger. It's a cool little bowl it comes in. So yeah, there it goes. It's a biscuit, sausage, hash browns, and eggs. Wow. And to think I got this for free? I didn't pay nothing for it because I have tons of points on my app. That's why it's good to use your points on the app. Because look, I got all this for free. Oh, there's even a biscuit on the bottom. Wow. So it's just a bowl. Pretty much. It comes with gravy. Has the sausages in there. Eggs. Wow. Oh my god, this is so good. My god. And to think I got this for free? I got all this for free? It's a lot of food. For free? Man, this is good. Got a big old biscuit in there. Got gravy. First time eating it. Oh my god. See, you have the biscuit, you got the sausage, got the hash brown, little one. Damn, it's a lot. I don't know if I can even finish it, to be honest. Has eggs in there. If you never got a Whataburger Bowl, I'm telling you right now, these are so good. Has everything that's so good. Oh yeah. It's a cool little bowl to give you. Man. I don't know they have this there. Until I saw it on the app. And I was like, shoot, I get it for free? I'm just by myself? Hell, I'm gonna get that. Stopped right quick. Got to the drive-thru, said my name. It was ready. There. Let's try all of it together. Biscuit, eggs, hash brown. Get the hash brown. I'm telling you guys, if you never got this, I'm telling you, get it. Try it out. It's awesome, man. That Whataburger comes in this little bowl. Look at that. Whataburger. So good. Highly suggest this meal.